Hi there. As a support team, you probably get a lot of emails every day, sometimes with images, sometimes with detailed descriptions. But how can you quickly convert those emails into tasks in your Monday workspace in just a few seconds? That's where Capture for Monday comes in. First, open your email and launch the Capture extension. Make sure you have both Monday.com and the Chrome extension installed for everything to work smoothly. You can find a step-by-step installation guide in the video description below. Next, you can either create a brand new workspace or use one of your existing templates. All templates are fully editable, just fill in the fields. You can select data from drop-down menus, type it in manually, or even copy and paste specific parts of the email. There's also a handy feature. You can take a screenshot and add annotations. For example, you can draw, add shapes, highlight text, or insert notes, and then attach this screenshot directly to your task. Finally, once you've created the task, it will be automatically added to your Monday workspace. That's it. You've just saved your support team twice as much time.